Today I'm going to show you my Ryobi saw setup. It's a Ryobi, it's just a little Ryobi cut saw, or chop saw they call it, radial arm saw I guess. Anyway, it does a whole bunch of different things. It articulates this way, it can bevel, and it can articulate to 45, basically different degrees. It's got a maximum of 47 on either direction. And haven't used that very much as far as what I've been doing, but anyway, today I just want to show you basically how I set this up. Okay, first thing is I have a 240 volt power outlet coming out here. It's split into two 120 connectors, so I can run two tools at the same time. That extension cord goes over to the power tool for the saw, or the power cord for the saw, and that's connected. Okay. My saw is clamped via the back feet of the saw to the Workmate 200. It's a very old Workmate, but it's been very handy for me along the time that I've had it. And you can see that we got two clamps here, one on either side. And I'll show you that again so that you can see them. There it is. Alright, this is a, 10-inch saw? I believe it's 10 inches. Yeah, it says 10 inches. Right there. Don't put your finger in there while the saw's running. That's a good plan. Okay, so anyway, it's all plugged in, ready to go. Got a couple of boards to cut for the project today, and that's pretty much it for setting it up. There's a little button right here. This pulls out. You push the saw down. I'm using my other hand for that, and then pull that out, and then the saw raises up, and then the safety guard comes in and protects that nasty blade, which could cut your fingers off if you're not careful, so don't cut your fingers off. Anyway, as it comes down, you'll see that the safety guard goes out of the way to cut the wood. Alright? Now, make sure when you're doing this that you use your safety goggles and earphones, because it's pretty loud. I will demonstrate how loud it is. There you go. It also has what they call a saw brake, which just means that it slows down a lot faster than the old ones. So, that's what we're doing. We're going to cut some wood. Anyway, there you go. Make sure your saw is secure on top of the table. Make sure you use your safety equipment. Make sure you don't plug anything in until you're ready to go. We are, in fact, very close to being ready to go, so we're good. And have a great Father's Day.